Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the M Sport Plus package. We also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also the front splitter as well. And there's a look at that front end. We do also have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so coming around to the passenger side, you can see with the side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the colour-coded shark fin antennae up top, along with the rear spoiler lip, just here on the tailgate. Now we do also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera, and the dual exit exhaust with the rear diffuser. We have the boot, so if you just press this button here on the remote, the boot will pop open like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space to just go quite far back. Got a storage unit on the left hand side which is currently holding the charger. Now if you close the boot and then walk back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior, inside of the back you'll find the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We also have the M Sport style seat belts. We have the climate control down there for the rear passengers, ambient lighting on the doors and also electric windows. Now we have the same leather interior at the front, with both front seats being heated, and there is a look at them. We also have the electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear. We have the automatic lights down here, automatic wipers and multifunctional steering wheel. Let's take a seat inside. You find the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will turn on. We've got cruise control and speedometer here on the left hand side. We also have the steering wheel which is heated. Press that button and it will activate. You can see we are free from any warning lights as well on the dashboard, other than about the fuel, so nothing to worry about. Press the heated steering wheel button and you can see it activates. Press it again and it will deactivate. We then have the main screen here in the centre, which has many features on here. If it is flickering, it's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life. So we have the sat nav. We also have the media options where you find the radio stations, along with the other options here on the left hand side. We then have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We have the apps that are currently installed, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On the main menu, if you go to car and then go on to the settings, you find the interior ambient lighting, many colours on here which you can go through. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And moving further down, you find the dual zone climate control for the front passengers. We have the heated seats on either side and the ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. Further down again, you find gloss black trim. We also have some storage inside of here, cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. We then have the buttons just and the dial just here for the screen. We also have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So press onto here, you find each drive mode will pop up on the screen. And if you put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the parking sensors will appear on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. You then have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Leather armrest in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm showing you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide next to delivery. Thank you for watching. A video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm not to fight the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now I do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated. You can activate it by pressing the button here in the centre. We also have the paddle shifters either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, simply tap on the paddles and it will change gear. The cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us, which can show different displays. Now if you do this carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. You have many more features as well on the interior of the vehicle. Got the full leather seats, really comfortable, could easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We also have the ambient lighting which runs throughout, across the doors and also across the dash. Looks really nice, especially at night time. Then we also have the main screen here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat-nav, but again also has other features you would have seen on the photos, for example the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have the 3-zone climate control with the air-cooled air conditioning, perfect for them hot summer days. And we have the automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth and also has all the different drive modes. Now we are about to take a right hand turn, so we put our right indicator on, we'll slow down and then we'll wait for these cars to go past before making the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So wait for this car to go past, make the right hand turn onto the industrial park, and then I'll perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. Reverse camera appears on the screen, back into a drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions and run through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.